Hello everybody, how are you all? So Craig's away and I'm here to do the full FTX purpose scan. Now, if you haven't already, go and open an account in FTX, bloody good exchange. Now, for those of you who are on live trading floor this morning, this is not a full in-depth scan. For those of you who are in our community, this is not an in-depth scan that I do for the community. We're just going to focus on cradle trades in here. Anyone from the community in here, and if we see some of our other strategies like boosters or breakouts, I'll point them out, but I'll go more in depth in the community video, which I'll do later today. So having a look at this market, we've had a bit of a sell-off, which is nice to see. A bit of volatility. Which is great. And let's have a look and see what's here. So, the 4-hour time frames aren't really trending that much, and the daily time frames are just starting to trend, although we're heading into some pretty serious daily resistance levels. So I'm going to be on the lookout for lower time frame cradles, and also maybe daily cradles that may set up tomorrow or on Sunday. So let's have a look and see what's here. Got some old levels already put in here from the previous watch list I made this morning, which nothing's really set up from there. My plan really is to attack this market. If we do see continued selling, like some solid continued selling, or a nice pullback up in ALCX would be good. But I'm not going to put that in the list yet. If we do see continued selling and some of these daily levels break, I'll be looking for cradles off those levels for sure. But until then, my friends, I will be keeping my hands warm for sure. That is a certainty. Had some good trades the last couple of months. We've had some excellent trading conditions as well. I mean, although we have seen some choppiness in Bitcoin, we have been able to play both the upside and the downside, either way. Whether it's you're working the lower time frames or the higher time frames, we've been able to play that volatility and capitalize on it. Some people in TRADERCOBB have enjoyed trading those lower time frames, like the 60, the 30, and the 15. I've been enjoying trading the higher time frames during these sessions, like the daily and the 2-day. And again, you can see quite clearly as I go through this scan, we're approaching daily levels. We'll see if those daily levels stick or not. Do they break or not? And we'll see what happens. Have BNT. Boba. No. BRC. See, a lot of these are just they're still very messy. Just not seeing that confluence across time frames. Oh, Bitcoin. Yeah, look, it's just really gone up, rejected that level, come down, hasn't it? Not really that surprising. Bitcoin is stuck in a bit of a range. Coin 98. I'm just going to take that level out there. I'm motivated to trade. Don't get me wrong. I want to trade. I trade full time. It's my job. But if the trends aren't there, the setups aren't there, I'm not just going to jump in the market and gamble my money. Some really nice selling coming in on these lower liquidity contracts, these old contracts. It's really nice to see. I really do enjoy seeing the market, move as one market. It's just nice to see. It's nice to see the market moving as one and the selling happening over the board. But yeah, that's all, guys. Look, a lot of these trends, again, we're heading into these daily levels, so I'll be pretty motivated to see if these daily levels stick. If they don't, all these things. There is one message here. How does a professional trader attack a market like this? People say the extreme volatility. Mate, volatility is great for us. Volatility means we can trade to the long or the short side. Volatility means my job's going well. I can get to work. Now, don't misinterpret that as volatility means you must trade. What volatility means to me is that we could get some good trends coming into our markets, and we can have the opportunity to trade them. And that's where we make money. That's where we stack sats. It's my job. If you're a trader, that's your job. It takes a little bit of discipline. Takes a little bit of work on yourself, but we can all get there. Guys, graph. What am I thinking when I look at this market? Actually, I don't really care if it's selling or buying. I don't care about that at all. I'm just trying to see what you're trying to tell me. Well, some big spikes there on Icon as well. Got Cobb coming through here. Again, it's a day to wait for these trends to come into play. Wait for those cradle zone trends to come into play. Somewhat of a trend there on Cobb. Kilo. Approaching some type of level there. Nothing too crazy. Leo, no. Lena, no. And why am I scanning through this so fast? It's obvious to me. We're caught mid-move, and when we're caught mid-move, we're just not ready to trade. So MCDX, no. It's very illiquid contracts. Wouldn't be surprised to see a bit of buying come in here as well, as we have, we've seen a bit of selling. Buyers, sellers, they both make up a market. Again, we can trade any direction. Near, nice little flat level coming up into there. If you know our breakout strategy, you'll know how to trade that. Same with OKB. And so for those of you in the community, this is my second scan of the day. I just haven't seen that follow through yet that I've been waiting for. You know what my strategy is today. I shared it with you guys in Slack. Nothing really there for me. Remember, just looking for cradle trades here. Police, we get a pullback up into the level would be great. We can put that in just because we don't have any lists. So what do we look for in cradles? Well, we look for flat levels and we look for pullbacks to those flat levels. So you see if that level breaks and around, pull back to that flat level. Pull back to that flat level. Small bearish candle in the cradle zone. Yes, sir. Could have some fabulous cradle setups if some of these daily levels break and we see pullbacks into those daily levels and we get little bearish candles off those daily levels. Could be really onto something good. Really good. again, these nice daily flat levels. If you know our breakout strategy, you know what I'm looking at there. But we'll see what happens. For those of you in our community, I will get a watch list out to you. Probably after this. It'll be a watch list based on what I'm looking at for over the weekend. You know, as our markets are open 24/7, you can trade them 24/7 if those setups are there. So, I'll certainly be looking for that. I'll certainly be getting that out to you guys. Like I said, I'm very motivated to trade. I just need those good setups. I'm not motivated to give money back to the market, to give up profits. But I'm motivated to get some good setups. For sure. ET. Waves really pushing up there. Let's have a look at the 8. Again, need a bit more of a pullback into the cradle zone, although I don't really want to trade into that resistance up there. Tether gold. Not a very nice looking chart, is it? You know. Seeing uniformity. Whether it's red across the charts or green across the charts, it doesn't matter. I don't care. As long as the market's moving is one. So let's have a look at our watch list here. Blue. So we've only got one Polis perp. Okay. We get a flat level here, and if we get price pulling up into that flat level, then that could be a very good cradle trade. If you're in our community, you know I've got some breakout levels for us to watch over the weekend as well, which I'll share with you guys. And yeah, that's the full FTX perp scan, guys. Bring on the selling, bring on the buying. We don't care. As professional traders, we can trade any direction. Just bring it, whatever it is. Bring the volatility. We love volatility. We love buying. We love selling. We love our markets. Very grateful for them. And thanks for watching. If you do like these videos, please like and subscribe. And have a nice weekend. Take care, everybody.